Every day, millions of people open their fridge and face the same frustrating question: what can I cook with just this? A few random ingredients, no recipe, no time, and definitely no energy to scroll through endless cooking apps. Most recipe tools don't understand your real-life situation. They assume you have every ingredient, plenty of time, and no dietary restrictions. That's where our solution begins. Introducing the AI-powered kitchen assistant, a smart, voice-enabled companion that helps you cook with what you already have. It finds meals based on your ingredients, adapts them to your dietary needs, visualizes nutrition in real time, and even suggests smart substitutions when you're missing something. And because it's powered by real-time generative AI, this assistant learns and evolves with you. It's not just an app. It remembers your preferences, adapts to your history, and reshapes recipes to match your goals. It stays connected to the latest global food data, understands your health priorities, and personalizes every dish, whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or just short on time. Because cooking shouldn't feel like solving a puzzle. It should be simple, nourishing, and uniquely yours. With the AI-powered kitchen assistant, your next meal is already waiting.
Welcome to the world of Chefbelle, where culinary expertise meets artificial intelligence. Imagine a system that thinks like a chef, making decisions with precision and flair. This is Chefbelle's decision-making brain. Every interaction starts with a user input, either text or voice, entering the input parser node. This node doesn't just rely on LLM, it intelligently routes requests based on context and tool outputs. When a task requires external tools, Chefbelle forwards the request to the tool executor node. Whether fetching recipes or reviewing nutrition data, this node ensures seamless execution. Once tools return results, Chefbelle loops back to reassess and determine the next steps. This continuous cycle ensures accurate and timely responses. Meet the specialized nodes: aggregate nutrition node, review dashboard node, and process customization node. Each node excels in tasks like calculating nutritional values and tailoring recipes to dietary needs. Chefbelle gathers user feedback and performs sentiment analysis, ensuring every interaction is personalized and insightful. This dynamic approach enhances user experience. The Response Formatter node transforms raw data into rich, user-friendly responses. From charts to markdown-ready instructions, Chefbelle ensures clarity and engagement. Finally, Chefbelle delivers processed, personalized responses, marking the end of the conversational turn. This orchestrated flow makes Chefbelle not just smart, but structured and tailored for real-world cooking. With the power of semantic search, Chefbelle understands more than just keywords. Ask it for a light Italian dinner or something vegan with tofu, and it finds recipes that match intelligently. It's not just recipes, Chefbelle breaks down the nutrition in real time. From calories to carbs to protein, you'll see it all clearly and visually. And yes, it remembers if you've already asked, no redundant answers, just a natural conversation. Want to replace an ingredient? Just ask. Chefbelle searches global nutrition databases, suggests the best swaps, and adapts your recipe instantly. No eggs? No problem. Silken tofu or mashed potato? It's got options.